Okay guys, this is Tightman FX and today I will be talking about trading supply zones. Things that you are to look at while trading a supply zone. So normally we trade supply and demand at Tightman Trading Academy, and today I'll be teaching you how to trade off supply zones. When trading in a supply zone, number one thing that you should look at is for you to know the direction of the market, whether it's a selling market, whether it's a bearish market, or whether you're in a bullish market. Those are two things you have to look at while trading supply and demand. You have to know the direction of the market before trading supply and demand. And when trading supply and demand, you should make sure that yes, you are trading in line with the direction of the market. You are not trading against the market. So when trading supply today, we are basically going to be talking about supply zones. Yes. So when trading supply zones, you should make sure that it is demand that is failing. Yes. You should make sure that it is demand that is failing. So whenever demand is failing, you should know that supply is in charge of the market. You should know that supply is in charge of the market. So we are going to start marking out some zones from here. This is 1 hour on pound dollar. This is 1 hour on Great Britain pound dollar, and you should know that this zone failed, right? Okay, this zone failed. Okay, this demand also failed. Okay, so these are things that we should look at when making sure you are trading a supply and demand. You should make sure that yes, if you are trading, if your trade setup is a supply zone, you should make sure the demand is failing. So you can see that demand has been failing for a while now. Demand has been failing, so you know that yes, the direction of this market is bearish, and what you are looking out for is supply zones. You are looking out for supply zones. You are looking out for sell trades. You are looking out for supply zones. You are looking out for sell trades. You see how demand has been failing. See how demand has been failing. So now I'm going to mark out the kind of entries that we are looking for. In a market where demand is failing, we are looking out for supply zones, because definitely the supply zones are going to be holding. Definitely the supply zones are going to be holding. We see this is our first supply zone. From this zone here, we have another supply zone. This is a buy to sell supply zone. So the first place that market started respecting the supply zone here is this buy to sell. We see that it's respected at this zone, and another zone that we are looking out for is this buy to sell zone. This buy to sell zone held, which means supply is in charge of the market from that particular level. And marking out another supply zone again, we see that supply is in charge. So whenever demand is failing, we are making sure that supply is in charge. We are looking for sell trades. We are looking for sell trades. We are looking to short whenever demand is failing. You see that yes, we are having a lot of demands holding while supply has been failing. This is another level. This is another level. This is another level. So automatically price did not come back to this range, but what happened? Price broke structure to the upside, then broke structure to the downside, which we have another supply here, and this supply is automatically holding. So that is it. Whenever you are trading supply and demand and one zone is holding, you should know that yes, the other one would be failing. You should know that yes, the other one would be failing, which we have demand zones failing and our supply zone has been holding. So that is that, and you see that yes, supply is holding, and when you move down to the 15 minutes, you still see refined entries in the supply zones that are holding. You see supply zones that are holding in the range. You see that yes, we have another supply here holding in between the ranges. We have another supply here holding. So whenever demand is failing, we have our supplies to be holding. We have our supply zones to be holding whenever demand is failing. See that our supplies are holding. So once again, this is Tagman FX. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.